Layering skincare can feel like a science experiment, especially when it comes to active ingredients. Can you use Cosrx snail mucin with niacinamide? What about vitamin C or retinol? So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shalu. Today I'm breaking down exactly how to layer Cosrx snail mucin essence and cream with your favorite active without irritating your skin. But before we get into how to layer snail mucin with actives, let's meet the Cosrx snail mucin family. These products have become global skincare staples for a reason. So, snail mucin or snail secretion filtrate is a purified, filtered ingredient derived from snail, which is packed with glycoproteins, growth factors, copper peptides, hyaluronic acids, and other antioxidants and enzymes. It's gentle and suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. In simple words, it's like a healing, hydrating shield for your skin. It's a skin repairing powerhouse. It hydrates, calms inflammation, supports wound healing, and strengthens your skin barrier. Think of it as a buffer or glue that holds your routine together, especially when you are using actives. So the main benefits of snail mucin are it hydrates the skin deeply and keep it plump. It repairs and strengthens the skin barrier, fades dark spots and acne scars, boosts collagen for firmer, smoother looking skin. It soothes irritation and calms redness. It's gentle and suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. So first up is the Cosrx Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. It's a lightweight yet deeply hydrating serum packed with 96% snail secretion filtrate. It has sodium hyaluronate that hydrates and plumps the skin. Allantoin soothes and protects the skin. Panthenol or provitamin B5 moisturizes. Arginine and amino acids support skin repair and elasticity, and betaine hydrates and balances moisture in the skin. It absorbs quickly and strengthens your skin barrier like no other. Then there's the Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream, a rich, nourishing moisturizer with 92% snail mucin that seals in hydration, calms irritation, and improves elasticity. If you have used Cosrx Snail Cream before, you might remember it came in a jar, but good news, it now comes in a more hygienic and travel-friendly tube version. Same formula, just easier to use and less messy. It has almost same ingredients as that of Essence, but the difference is that it contains 92% snail mucin, while Essence contains 96% snail mucin. Plus, it also contains occlusive dimethicone that helps create a protective barrier on the skin. It also has adenosine that further enhance the texture and overall performance of the cream. It has thicker and creamier texture designed to be more substantive moisturizer. So Cosrx Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence is designed for instant hydration and skin rejuvenation, while the Cosrx Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream focuses on moisturizing and nourishing the skin with a thicker, more protective formula. Next product is the Cosrx Advanced Snail Peptide Eye Cream. It's a lightweight, fast absorbing formula designed to hydrate, brighten, and firm the delicate skin around the eyes. It's enhanced with 73% snail secretion filtrate. It promotes skin repair and moisture retention. The inclusion of 5 different types of peptides and niacinamide helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles while enhancing skin elasticity and radiance. It's suitable for all ages and skin types. This eye cream is free from parabens, sulfates, artificial colors, fragrances, alcohol, mineral oil, essential oil, and silicones. Its airless pump packaging ensures hygienic application and product stability. For optimal results, apply small amount around the eyes after cleansing and toning, gently tapping until fully absorbed. This eye cream can be used both morning and night and is also suitable for application on other areas prone to fine lines such as smile lines and neck. It's a great complement to rest of the snail mucin line. Now that you know the amazing benefits of Cosrx snail mucin products, you might be wondering how do you actually use them with other powerful skincare ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin C, alpha or beta hydroxy acids, retinol, copper peptides, alpha arbutin, or tranexamic acids. Can you mix them? Should you layer them? Today I'm breaking down exactly how to combine snail mucin with your favorite actives to get the best results without irritation. So let's dive in. So how to layer snail mucin with niacinamide? Snail mucin and niacinamide are a dream team for your skin. They work together to soothe, brighten, and strengthen your skin barrier. To layer them properly, start with a clean face. After cleansing and toning, you can apply any gentle hydrating toner. Apply your Cosrx Nail Mucin Essence first on a damp skin, not on a wet skin. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly, so give it a minute or two to sink in. Next, apply your niacinamide serum. Niacinamide helps evening out skin tone and control oil, so layering it after snail mucin lets both ingredients to do their job effectively without clashing. Then finish it off with a moisturizer. I recommend the Cosrx Nail Mucin All-in-One Cream to lock in everything and keep your skin hydrated. If you don't have Cosrx cream, then you can use any moisturizer of your choice that contains ceramides or peptides. Now, this routine works great morning and night, and don't forget your sunscreen in the morning. So, common mistakes while using snail mucin and niacinamide is don't apply niacinamide first. Starting with snail mucin helps prep and hydrate your skin for better absorption. Avoiding too many serums at once. Keep your routine simple for sensitive and reactive skin. And don't skip moisturizer, it locks in all the benefits and prevent moisture loss. So the next active ingredient we will discuss is layering snail mucin with vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerhouse antioxidant that brightens and protects your skin, but it can sometimes cause irritation, especially if layered incorrectly. To combine it safely with snail mucin, start your routine with vitamin C serum on clean and dry skin. Let it absorb fully. Give it about 1 to 2 minutes before applying the Cosrx Snail Mucin essence. Snail mucin acts as a soothing and hydrating buffer, calming potential irritation and locking in moisture. Now finish your routine with the moisturizer like the Cosrx Snail Mucin all-in-one cream or any other cream of your choice. And always use sunscreen in the morning to protect your skin. So the tips here are use a gentle form of vitamin C like sodium ascorbyl phosphate if you have sensitive or reactive skin. Apply vitamin C first because it needs direct contact with the skin for best results. Wait between the layers to avoid peeling and maximize absorption. So the common mistakes while applying this combo is don't apply snail mucin before vitamin C. It can dilute the vitamin C potency. Avoid mixing with other strong acids in the same routine to reduce irritation risks. Skipping sunscreen after vitamin C nullifies its protective effects. Now the next most requested combo is layering snail mucin with retinol. Retinol is one of the best anti-aging ingredients, but it can be irritating, especially if your skin is sensitive or you are new to retinoids. So snail mucin is an excellent partner because it soothes irritation and strengthens your skin barrier. So here's how to layer them right. After cleansing, apply Cosrx snail mucin essence first on a damp skin as usual. Let it absorb for a minute or two. Next, apply a pea-sized amount of your retinol product, whatever retinol-based product you are using. It can be retinaldehyde, tretinoin, or retinol. Finish with Cosrx Nail Mucin All-in-One Cream or any ceramide-based cream to lock in moisture and calm your skin. I really like to use Cosrx All-in-One Cream in my nighttime skincare routine because I find it little heavier than the normal moisturizers in summers. But in winters, I layer this moisturizer with another ceramide or peptide-based moisturizer. So this retinol sandwich method cushion your skin, reducing redness and dryness. So tips are start retinol use slowly 2 to 3 times a week if you are a beginner. Use snail mucin before and after retinol to maximize barrier support. Always apply retinol at night and use sunscreen in daytime. So common mistakes people are doing here are don't layer too many actives with the retinol on the same day to avoid overexfoliation. Avoid using retinol with strong acids in the same routine. And skipping moisturizer can make retinol irritation worse. Next is layering snail mucin with AHAs and BHAs. Alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acids are exfoliants that clear dead skin cells, unclog pores, and brighten the complexion, but they can also leave your skin feeling dry or sensitized. That's where Cosrx Nail Mucin steps into. It hydrates, calm, and restore your skin barrier after exfoliation, but make sure to use gentle exfoliators or low-strength exfoliators. Here I'm using the Inkilist beta hydroxy acid serum. Here's how to layer them. Start with a cleanser, then apply your alpha or beta hydroxy product. This could be a toner or a serum. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes so it fully absorbs and your skin pH normalizes. Next, apply the Cosrx Snail Mucin essence to bring back the hydration and calm any irritation. Then seal it with all-in-one snail cream or moisturizer of your choice, or you can use both. Tips are use alpha or beta hydroxy acids only few times a week, especially if you have a sensitive skin. Let exfoliants sit before applying the next layer. This avoids neutralizing their effects. Snail mucin helps reduce post-exfoliation redness and dryness. So don't rush through layers. Wait time is key with acids. Avoid using multiple strong actives like retinol and alpha hydroxy acids together in the same routine. And skipping moisturizer after acid can lead to flakiness and irritation. So the next layering combo will be with alpha arbutin or tranexamic acid serum. Here I'm using the minimalist alpha arbutin serum. If you are struggling with dark spots or uneven skin tone, then alpha arbutin and tranexamic acid are the two most effective ingredients for brightening, and pairing it with snail mucin makes the combo even more gentler and more effective. So here's how to layer them. Start with a gentle cleanser and toner if you use one. Then apply Cosrx Nail Mucin Essence first. This hydrates and preps the skin, making it more receptive to other actives. Once the essence is absorbed, apply your alpha arbutin or tranexamic serum, whatever you are using. These ingredients work by interrupting pigment production, and snail mucin supports the process by keeping your skin barrier calm and hydrated. Then finish it up with the nourishing moisturizer like the Cosrx all-in-one cream, or if you are using this in morning, always follow with the sunscreen. These brightening agents makes your skin more sensitive to ultraviolet rays. So tips are you can use alpha arbutin or tranexamic acid daily or every other day. They are generally gentle. Snail mucin improves absorption and reduces potential dryness or irritation from brightening agents. So this combo is great for post-acne marks and melasma-prone skin. So common mistakes are don't skip sunscreen. It's crucial when using brightening actives. Avoid layering with exfoliants or retinol at the same time unless your skin is already used to it. Be patient. Brightening takes consistency over weeks, not days. Lastly, layering snail mucin with copper peptides. Snail mucin actually contains copper peptides, but the concentration in snail mucin is very low. So, pairing the snail mucin with copper peptide enhances its collagen boosting properties, promotes healing, and supports overall skin health. Copper peptides work their magic directly on clean skin, so apply it directly after cleansing onto pad dry skin. Wait for it to get fully absorbed and then follow with snail mucin. Then you can put your eye cream and Cosrx Advanced Nail 92 all in one cream. Some people ask, is it better to use copper peptides day or night? Although you can apply copper peptides either in morning or at night, research tells us that our skin is in repair mode at night, so applying copper peptides at night give them the best chance to work them on boosting collagen, reducing wrinkles, and improving skin elasticity while you get your beauty sleep. One thing to mention is that don't apply copper peptides and high concentration of vitamin C together as they negate each other's benefits. Now, what not to pair with snail mucin? Firstly, super strong acids at high concentrations like AHAs or BHAs. You can use gentle exfoliants as high concentration glycolic and salicylic acid can leave your skin irritated and sensitive. Secondly, it's recommended that don't layer snail mucin with high concentration of vitamin C as there is a chance that this cocktail can irritate your skin, so you can start using it with gentle form of or derivative of vitamin C. My skin is used to high concentration of vitamin C, so I have no issues with combining high concentration of vitamin C with snail mucin. Lastly, before trying out any new combo, test it on small area of your skin. Watch for any reactions, and if it's okay, then start this new routine. If you want to layer more than one actives with snail mucin, then start with gentlest product to most intense one. Snail mucin is typically soothing, so layer it between harsher products and moisturizers to act like a buffer. Layering skincare actives can get super confusing, right? Especially when you are trying to figure out where a snail mucin fits in the things like vitamin C, retinol, acids, and more. That's why I created this easy to follow layering combo table just for you. You will see it on your screen right now, or if you want to save it for later, you can do that. It shows you exactly what to layer, when, and how, so no more guessing. Go ahead, pause and screenshot if you need to, and let me know in the comments if you would like more cheat sheets like this one for other ingredients as well. Have you tried layering snail mucin with actives before? What's worked best for you? Drop your go to routine in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I've got more science backed skincare guide coming your way. And if you want to try these products, all the Cosrx Nail Mucin items mentioned are linked in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, glow gently and layer smart.